Welcome to Wales. We are a welcoming nation, boasting world-beating hospitality businesses, activity providers and attractions. But what about when it comes down to actually running one of those businesses every day? Piece of cake? Or jack of all trades? Do you find running your business can be all-consuming all the time? Do you find yourself wishing things could go a bit more smoothly? Or you could be busier without needing to live life in the fast lane all the time. What about if we told you embracing technology to make your business run faster could mean that you could slow down, or at least get some help with the day-to-day load? Too good to be true? What about if we showed you how? Visit Wales and Superfast Business Wales have joined forces to help hospitality and tourism businesses in Wales get all the digital support they might need. We're keen to show you how adopting some smart new processes could help you put more money on the bottom line, or more hours on the clock. Either way, it's a win-win for businesses just like yours. And better still, it's completely free. Yep, you attend a totally free webinar which tells you in depth about some of the things that could help you to increase your bookings and make them easier to manage. And then we provide a business advisor to help you continue to implement technology and automated systems to, well, help you. For example, did you know that Wales holidaymakers are using a range of online channels to book their trip, with around 4 in 10 booking direct with accommodation providers, 3 in 10 using an online travel agent, OTA, and 2 in 10 using a traditional travel agent? Or that when a customer is loyal to a business, 86% will recommend a company to friends and family, and 66% are likely to write a positive online review. We'll explore the whole of your potential customer's journey with your business, from finding you online and making a reservation, to rebooking or recommending. Plus all the things that can be automated, like taking upfront payments and updating your booking calendars. And we give you access to all the latest data on just what potential customers are looking for from businesses like yours, freeing you up to concentrate on working on your business rather than in it. We're all about embracing technology to make a big difference for your business. And it's much simpler than you'd think to get going. So register today at businesswales.gov.wales/superfastbusinesswales. This is a partnership between Visit Wales and Superfast Business Wales, a free service backed by the Welsh Government and European Regional Development Fund.